Hey there, it's Carrie from ZarMoney Academy. As a business owner, it is important to know when and how to charge a sales tax for the goods and services you supply your customers. Now, before you set up your sales tax, you must be in compliance with the law. Check the sales tax requirements for the location where you sell or ship your products and services, and then know the tax agency to pay the collected taxes to. Avalar is an excellent sales tax resource. We will start with a tax agency. A tax agency is a vendor to which you pay the sales tax that you collect. Depending on your sales tax requirements, you may need to set up only one tax agency, or you may need to set up several different ones. Here is a detailed example on how to set up a tax agency. From the ZarMoney homepage, hover over Company and go to the drop-down menu and select Sales Taxes. Once you're on the sales tax screen, click on Tax Agencies. To add a new tax agency, click the plus sign where it says to add a new tax agency. Let's create a new tax agency by filling out each box accordingly. Don't forget to save your changes. Once you're done, double check to make sure everything is correct, hit save and close to complete your new tax agency. When you first set up a tax item in ZarMoney, you added all the taxable items that you needed for your business. As your business grows, additional sales tax items may need to be added. To view the tax item rates for your area, click on the link attached to this video, Sales Tax Rates. Here is a detailed example of how to set up tax items. From the ZarMoney homepage, hover over Company, and then from the drop-down menu, select Sales Taxes. This page shows which tax items your business currently has. To add a new tax item, click the plus sign where it says to add a new tax item. Let's create a new tax item by filling out each box accordingly. Make sure you know the current tax rate for the item being added. Click Add New to save changes. The new tax item is now shown. To edit the tax item, click on the pencil icon located to the left of the tax item you want to edit. To delete a tax item, click on the trash can icon located to the top right of the tax item you want to delete. Great job! Now moving on to tax groups. We use tax groups to calculate and individually track two or more taxable sales items that apply to the same sale. The customer will only see the total sales tax. For example, you might be required to charge a 6% sales tax for the state and a 2.5% sales tax for the county where you do business. If you're paying multiple agencies, rather than making one payment that will be split by the principal agency, you can group these two sales tax rates together and charge one rate of 8.5%. Here is a detailed example of how to set up a tax group. From the ZarMoney homepage, hover over Company. Then from the drop-down menu, select Sales Taxes. Click Tax Groups. This page shows the tax groups your company currently has. To add a new tax group, click Add a New Tax Group. Fill out each box accordingly. Click Add New when finished. The new tax group is now shown. To edit a tax group, click on the pencil icon located to the left of the tax group you want to edit. To delete a tax group, click on the trash can icon located to the right of the tax group you want to delete. Tax types list the taxable sales codes that are used to track taxable and non-taxable sales. This is done by assigning taxable sales codes to your customers and the items and services you sell. Here is a detailed example of how to set up tax types. From the ZarMoney homepage, hover over Company. Then from the drop-down menu, select Sales Taxes. Click on Tax Types. Fill out each box accordingly. Click Add New to save changes. The new tax type is now shown. To edit a tax type, click on the pencil icon located to the left of the tax type you want to edit. To delete a tax type, click on the trash can icon located to the right of the tax type you want to delete. In order to pay sales taxes, utilize the Pay Sales Tax feature. It will show the currently owed sales tax for the taxable sales items the company uses. If there is a sales tax for more than one tax district, each district has its own line and amount owed. Here's a detailed example of how to set up the Pay Sales Tax. From the ZarMoney homepage, hover over Company, and then from the drop-down menu, select Sales Taxes. Select Pay Sales Tax. Fill out each box accordingly. This page reflects which sales taxes have been paid. If paying by check, select Print Checks to process the transaction. Occasionally, businesses need to make a sales tax adjustment for a variety of reasons. Here's a detailed example of how to make a sales tax adjustment. From the ZarMoney homepage, hover over Company, and then from the drop-down menu, select Sales Taxes. Next, click Sales Tax Adjustment. Make any necessary adjustments, and after all the changes have been made, select Adjust Taxes. This next report summarizes your sales tax liability, the sales tax you've collected and currently owe your tax agencies. This report can be customized on the basis of accrual or cash. It can also be customized by a certain time period. This report can be exported to a CSV file for your convenience. Here is a detailed example of how to acquire a sales tax liability report. From the ZarMoney homepage, hover over Company, and from the drop-down menu, select Sales Taxes. Then select Sales Tax Liability. From here, you can export the report as a CSV file or print the report by clicking on the Print button. For more training tips, check out our videos in the ZarMoney Knowledge Center. And for more information regarding ZarMoney, visit us at ZarMoney.com. Until next time, my name is Carrie Lane, and we'll see you where it counts.